I'm Josh, and I'm flyer than an airport.
We're such good partners, it isn't even funny.
I have so much swag, I got a beaver snook.
We're so talented, it isn't even fair.
Everybody's jealous of my facial hair.
That's more like chin stubble.
You could see this from the telescope Hubble.
I can do calculus homework all day.
She's even smarter than Tina Fey.
Is Tina Fey even that smart?
Well, it's a start.
I can play softball like nobody's business.
When your partner is Amanda, every day is Christmas. I spray my knee, but I can still ball.
If you want to donate, just call.